Peoples, it's time for the elimination. We have our new elimination song. Okay. Kind of got you all here. So what's the new elimination song? Presenting. Oh my god, that's the wrong song. Sorry. This is the right one. Anyway, today we are seeing a lot of votes. Over 14,000 actually. Anyway, Black Hole, you're the first one safe with 1,602. Why are we in a volcano? That's besides the point. Today's prizes are birds that are words. Wait, what? Anyway, what the? Whiteboard. You're safe with 1,678, so you get a bird. Anyway, Boombox, you're safe with 1,890 votes. Here's your bird. Man, I like my bird. Anyway, Center Variable Image, Butter, and Cinderblock. Variable Image, you're safe with 2,105 votes. Here's your bird. I don't really want this. You don't have a choice. You don't have a choice. Anyway, it's down to Butter and Cinderblock. Let's show the votes. So now, with no further interruptions, we'll do a little screen shows of being worried. Butter is safe with 3,464 votes. Also, I'm sorry, but I ran out of birds. Oh, here's one. Okay. Which means Cinderblock is eliminated with 3,501 votes. Now, just as something to say to you. Maybe about you and stuff. I'll play some other music. Fine. I'll play my music. Fine, I'll make it play. What song?
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird.
No! There you go. Alright, guys, go over there. We are team. Wait, why is there a rock wall in a volcano here? Well, your challenge is to get onto the rock wall. Then you have to run or fly as fast as you can. I can't fly. Yeah. Okay. And there's also this. There might be a bucket for this. I like buckets. Shut up, whiteboard. Okay. Okay. Screw the bucket. No, I like bucket. Wait, what? Okay, whatever. Anyway. You guys are gonna have to cross it, go by, and if you hit the lava, then the recovery center will be right there. Just gotta make it first. Anyway, cross it. Go. Okay, how am I gonna jump down? Okay, that seems like a good idea. No! I'm here. I'll take you guys. Okay, thanks, Elias, but where's the other team? Actually, right above me. We're almost talking using whiteboard to get there. Ah! Oh, well, whiteboard, Revival, what happened to you? You're not looking too good yourself, Image. Does this mean we made it? Yep. Yep. Geronimo image and whiteboard. Now, this is a contest for names. Okay, so I'm gonna chuck you over there. No, wait. How about we just fly? That seems like a better idea. Butter. Buddy. Butter and Boombox has made it. The other team really needs to catch up because this team just said, guys, we should start throwing each other to finish. Oh my head, my beautiful head. What the? You guys see something? Rectangular, despite him literally collapsing himself into butter is safe. Whoa, stop it. Nice. No. Oh my God, what happened to you? Alive has made it. So, black hole. An Amazon remote. Gee, I wonder who's gonna win. Black hole wins. That's kind of who I was expecting. Where's Amazon remote? He's dead. Speaking of dead, I gotta go to the finish line to recover all the dead people. And I'm gonna pull the lever and recover these guys and go over the recovery center, recover these guys. Go over the recovery center, recover these guys, and okay. Who do you want to recover today? Hey, can you recover the dead people? Sure, can do. Ha, LOL. Haha, JK. Recovering. Wish to recover the dead people. Process for 1, completes. Process for 2. 3, 4. Our team lose? No. Your team won. Yay. Wait a minute. But that means, yep, your Rectangle's team loses.
Oh, no.
And we'll be facing elimination next episode. Until now, vote on anyone you see in this picture. Lego, alive. Amazon remote, brick, rectangle, and purple plate are all for elimination. You can only vote one person, so vote wisely.